Good morning. I hope you hear me well this time. Let's try again. Using my new microphone, Sony ECM-CS3 or something like that. I think that's it. ECM-CS3. I'm using with an old recorder I have. Old. It's 3 years old, 2 years old, something like that. It's an Olympus DM670. That's it. Olympus DM670. And yeah, I'm still waiting for my Zoom H1, which should arrive maybe tomorrow. It's not bad at all. It's actually not bad. The thing is, I need the Olympus for something else, so I don't want to mix things. That's why I bought the other one. This one will stay on my backpack all the time, and the Zoom will be the main one for this kind of recordings. That's a lot of wind. I hope you can't hear it. I hope the sound is okay this time. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? The first time I'm using it with a bike. It's clipped on my t-shirt and I have another shirt on top. Should be okay. I saw a video of this guy with a Harley in the States doing exactly that, and he had 2 t-shirts, one on top of the other, obviously, and the Sony microphone in between them. I hope it's not too muffled. Now, this on my shirt, then I have this on my t-shirt, and then I have the other shirt on top, and with the jacket. Well, it's England. I really, really hope you can hear me. Yesterday I went to a field work in Selborne. Anyway, I made a video for my Selborne thingy yesterday. Check the cars up here. So I'm trying to figure it out what kind of YouTube channel I will be, because I know we should have 1 or 2 different subjects, not more than that. I'm trying to figure it out how to do that, because I do so many stuff and I wish I could put everything, but I know it's not possible. I ride an electric skateboard, I ride mountain bikes, I ride this bike, obviously. This road is very dangerous. I have to be very careful here. Very wet with a lot of puddles. So yeah, let me know what you think about this video so far, and what path should I go. I like doing motor vlogs. I think is the spot where I feel more comfortable. It's riding my bike. The problem is I ride bikes for 30 years now, and I'm tired of the winter. I love this country, but the weather, although it's not that bad, not in the south anyway. A lot of cloudy days and windy days. It does rain, but to be honest, it's not that much. If it's raining, I don't ride anymore because of the wet and the cold in the past. My knees are all screwed up. Obviously, there's trousers and blah blah blah, and I have all that. So you could say I'm also a biker now, not a complete biker. Am I? Don't know about that, because I do a lot of miles. As I said in the previous motor vlog, I went to Portugal last year on the bike, which is 1200 miles, 2000 kilometers. I went to Portugal in 2016, and I went to Portugal in 2015 in the Royal Enfield Bullet 500. So yeah, I can see them. Shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not good.